In this video we'll be setting up a Fluval Flex 57 litre. This tank will be set up as a tropical planted tank. All we've done so far is place the filter in the back compartment and switch the lights on. First thing I'm doing is adding sand to the aquarium. Make sure you wash your sand first to remove any fine debris that could cloud up the water. Next, the hardscape is added. For now I'm just using some smooth river pebbles. Make sure when you place them down on the sand that they're secure in place and can't cascade down. After this, the Softscape is added. To start, I'm just placing some young Java fern sprouts. Make sure not to bury the Java fern deep in the substrate, as this can suffocate the plants. Here I simply wedge the plants between the rocks to secure them. Then fill the tank with dechlorinated tap water. Once filled, plug in the filter pump and allow the water to flow. Then I get my glass heater and set it to the correct temperature I need. For this tank we'll be having sunset rainbow platies, so the temperature needs to be around 26 degrees Celsius or 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Once set, place the heater in the tank at a 45-degree angle for optimal function. Then leave the heater to sit in the water unplugged for about 40 minutes. This allows the glass to adjust to the temperature of the tank and prevents it from shocking. Then switch the heater on and leave the tank to cycle for a week or more before adding fish.